Hi everyone, my name is Nikita, and today I'll walk you through the code of my GNI Sports Tournament Calendar project. So, this project fetches real-world sports tournament data from an API called Sports TV, and it generates AI-powered summaries and displays it in the streaming level. So, if I explain the data flow of my project. So first the user opens the app. The app.py that is taking care of the front-end part calls the fetch tournaments that loads the data from the data.py, and data is fetched from the sports TV API as mentioned here. And after that, the summarizer, I have lazy loaded the summarizer so that my app takes listing. So the summarizer is loaded here, which is integrated through using the pipeline API from the transformers. And the summarizer used here is digital part summarizer developed by the Facebook, and that generates a summary. So the summary is generated based on all the data that is returned from the API, is then made into a particular text, and the text is passed into the model, and the model generates summary based on that. Um, After that, in the API, there are again more features. So if I have to walk you through all of the files, so here in the API, the first I have given the title of the web project, sports tournament calendar, using this title function that is provided by the Streamlit. And I have opted for the Streamlit because it makes the development of the front end and also the deployment of the project very easier. So the app fetches the data from the data.py using the fetch tournament here from the data.py, as I also mentioned earlier. And here I have also provided a button, download button, download CSV, that downloads the CSV file of that includes all the upcoming tournaments. And uh, I have also handled the case where if no data is being returned from the API, so it shows that no upcoming tournament is there. Okay. So after that, my second file is the data.py, which is the main file of my project. So it takes care of all the data, like all the data collection and AI summarization part of my project. So it fetches the data from this API, uh, performs the summarization on that, and returns the value. And the total.py here is used for the cleaning data and for the filtering purpose only. And I have also included some of the output screenshot, here the sample output.csv file is included. That there is a CSV file that shows that how the data is being fetched from the API, and also some screenshots of my project. So my project includes two type of views. The first one is the card view, where the all the upcoming tournaments are shown in the card format. So what happens? What is the difference in the card view and the table view? Is that in the card view, the images are being displayed right in front of the upcoming tournament, whereas in the table format view, you'll just get a table and the URL of the particular image. That's only the basic difference. The table one is much more easier to see all the upcoming tournament, and the card view is more like eye friendly to watch. That's why I have included two view modes here. I have included also the all the filter option for the sports, and also I have included the filter option for all the levels. Uh, and if I talk about the limitations, the limitation is obviously on the data, because I'm only using a single API here to fetch the data, and I can For the future, I can use multiple APIs to get more data for more sports that can be integrated in my project. And yes, that's it. Thank you.